What's up, YouTubers? What are the abandoned Jack in the Box?
On 34th and Magnum.
Well, it's not actually coming close.
Yes, it is permanently closed.
It's just open for 24 hours.
It used to be. This Jack in the Box has been abandoned for
Let's check it
several
out.
years. You want to check it out?
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, Daddy.
Mm-hmm. Hey, look at the
Who's on
sign.
paint that?
Yeah, they painted it
Why they paint all this?
because it's abandoned. It's done for.
Because
It's been shut down for a long time now.
no renovations were done.
No renovations have begun.
Why is he Jack in the Box sad?
Huh?
Why is he Jack in the Box sad?
Because it's closed. It's abandoned. Yep, looks pretty empty inside.
Why is he sad?
Huh?
Why is he sad?
Oh, that's just a painting. That's the picture.
Why is he painting?
I don't know. It's supposed to be funny.
Because he's doing pranks.
Yeah. They still have the sign up. And then if we look over here, we see
That's not
the drive-through. The drive-thru's tore up.
why is your face sad?
Huh?
Why is
Because this restaurant is closed.
it's probably it's abandoned.
Yeah, it's been abandoned.
Why is he sad when the restaurant's closed?
I don't know. I guess he's just sad because he's not selling hamburgers no more.
And no french fries, no ice cream, and more.
Yeah. All right, it's raining, buddy. Let's get going. Come on. All right. What up?
Who someone tear this?
I'm not sure.
Why did he tear it?
They destroyed it because it's been abandoned.
Because it's the Michelin. It
Mm-hmm.
got the Michelin.
It's a Michelin star restaurant? All right. See you, YouTubers.